Joe Gould. I work for Mark's Automotive. Been a mechanic here for 10 years. Oil change is what we're going to talk about today, and exactly what we do when we do an oil change. Of course, we're going to empty the oil and put fresh oil in and a new oil filter on it. But we also go further than that. We also do a very extensive inspection of the vehicle. We top off all fluids and we check the air pressures in all 4 tires. When we say extensive inspection, what we mean by is we check the tread on the tires. We check CV axles, see if the boots are torn or ripped. We check brake pads and or drum shoes on the back or pads on the back. We jack up the front ends and we shake the front end to see if we have any loose tie rods, loose ball joints. We check the struts and or shocks depending on the type of vehicle. And we also check the entire exhaust system for any kind of leakage or broken hangers or mounts or anything to that could cause issues down the line. When we have it down on the ground, underneath the hood, so we top off all the fluids, but we also check the air filters, check the PCV valve, as well as check the drive belts for wear or cracks in the belts and the tension on the belts. We also check wiper blades, which is something that gets forgotten quite a bit until it's raining, and then nobody wants to be in the rain to do the wiper blades, so we try to check them while it's dry and in the shop on our oil changes. And that is pretty much the extent of what we do when we do an oil change here at Mark's Automotive. We like to make sure we're doing preventive maintenance, not just with the fluids in it, but also with the entire car, so we can negate any issues breaking down on the road, requiring an expensive tow bill and an inconvenience to you out on the road.